Writing the equation of a horizontally opening parabola is no different than writing the equation of a vertically opening parabola. In what you do, we just have to use a slightly modified equation. Now, when our parabola was vertical, we had x minus h squared equals 4c times y minus k. Now, to change this from a vertically opening parabola to a horizontally opening parabola, we need to swap the x bit and the y bit. So our equation should become y minus k quantity squared equals 4c times x minus h. By changing which one is squared, we can change the orientation of this parabola. And I remember that because I think of a normal parabola we know is x squared. So when x is squared, it is the up and down normal parabola. But if you square y instead, then it will be a sideways opening parabola. So we're going to do the same thing. What goes in our completed y square? Well, that has to be y something squared, y minus k. K is the y value of the vertex, which in this case is 5. So y minus 5 squared equals 4 times c. Again, c is the distance from the vertex to the focus. So in order to get to the focus, I have to go from the x value of negative 2 over to the x value of negative 5. So I'm going a distance of 3 to the left, so I am going negative 3 to get there because I'm moving in the negative direction. So c in this instance is negative 3 because I went left. Had I gone right to get from the vertex to the focus, I would have had a positive value for c, but I went left, so it's negative. So 4 times c is negative 12, and then I will get x minus h, and h is negative 2 right there. So if h is negative 2, x minus negative 2 is really x plus 2, and I get the equation of my parabola right there. And I forgot to do this in the last problem, so let's make sure we do it in this problem. If I want to write the equation now of the directrix, well, the directrix is going to be the same distance from the vertex as the focus is, but in the opposite direction. So if I go 3 to the right, then I will get the directrix. So from negative 2, I need to go to positive 1. And in this instance, it is a vertical line. X equals positive 1 is the equation of the directrix. If I go back to that last problem, since my c value was 2, I need to go 2 in the other direction from that vertex. So that would put me down here at what looks like negative 3. That would be a horizontal line, which then would have the equation y equals negative 3 would be the equation of the directrix for that first problem, which I forgot to do last time. But here's problem number 2. X equals 1 is the directrix. I've got the focus at negative 5, 5, and y minus 5 squared equals negative 12 times x plus 2 is the equation there.